wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best slacklines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the WizWorks is a perfect balance of value, durability, and usefulness. It doesn't look fancy, but it gets the job done. And don't think its low price means low quality. This model is made of strong materials and is built to last. A safety lock prevents loosening, and it's available in multiple colors. It supports up to 330 pounds. At number 9, increase your balance and core strength with the Hopon fitline, which has a 2-part mounting kit ideal for using at low heights and is easily hand tensioned. The included tree lines are long enough to wrap around almost any pine or palm. It comes with a training line and an instruction manual. It's 50 feet long for versatile use. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Slack to the Max will have you strapped up and line walking in just minutes, thanks to its helpful colored illustration guide. Its 2-inch width is great for balancing, and its ratchet system makes for easy adjustments on the fly. This one's good for mounting at any height, and its metal components are rust resistant. However, it doesn't include any tree wraps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, strengthen your core and improve your balance by practicing on the Slackline Genius. Its durable materials will last a long time even if you use it daily, so you'll be able to enjoy this relaxing outdoor activity for years to come. It includes a drawstring bag and an ergonomic ratchet for comfort, but it doesn't fit around thicker trees. Moving up our list to number 6. The BYA Beginner was designed with novices in mind and is a great choice for kids of all ages. Since it can be set up in less than 10 minutes, parents won't need to make their little ones wait for too long before they can get started. It holds tension well and has a rubber grip for stability. However, no helpline is included. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Slackers Classic comes with a helpful training line so you can build up your basic technique before trying it without guidance, then work on tricks once you've had some experience. It's a good choice for families of varying skill levels. It offers a quick and easy setup and a simple ratchet release. Its bright color can be seen at night. At number 4, the Flybold Complete Kit includes everything you need to get started with your new hobby. It provides useful extras like a carrying bag and a snap-on fabric cover that goes over the ratchet during use, keeping your equipment and your feet safe and sound. It features extra-wide tree protectors, a helpline, and an arm trainer. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Staying active is easy and fun with the Trailblaze Strongest. It works well for users young and old, making it a great way to get the whole family off the couch and into the fresh air. Since setup is quick and simple, you'll be able to get going in no time at all. It weighs less than 6 pounds and comes with an extra long loop strap and step-by-step instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the bright green Macaco 50 has cool designer graphics along the whole length, making a style statement. It's also a good choice for beginners with an extra wide 50mm line, giving you more stable footing, and a ratchet that's compact, sturdy, and easy to use. This one's lightweight for easy transport and includes a convenient storage bag. An 85-foot version is also available. And taking the top spot on our list, the Slackline Industries Playline is 50 feet long and has a soft plastic handle, making effective tensioning more comfortable. It provides a good bounce for tricks and stunts and comes with tree protection, so you can use it in the backyard without harming your landscaping. It's easy to set up and use and features a reinforced loop to anchor it firmly and 8 feet of attachment webbing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video.